What's going on, people? Got a new segment here for my channel called Jeff Cooks, and today I'm going to be cooking, well, sort of cooking, something called tuna noodles. Now, some of you might call it tuna casserole, but it's fucking tuna noodles because I fucking said so. I might be 100% wrong about that, but fuck it, it's tuna noodles. Now, let's get started. First, you're going to need a fork. Next, you're going to need a bowl, plastic container type thing, about this big, maybe bigger. Alright, depending on how much you want to make. Then, you're going to need at least 3 cans of tuna. This is all I fucking had, so I gotta work with it. You're going to need a fucking can opener for the tuna, obviously. Alright, and finally, you're going to need ramen noodles. Yes, fucking ramen noodles. About 6 fucking packs worth or more. You're also gonna need some hot sauce, some vinegar. I like this shit because it's like no fucking calories, fat, or nothing. It's the rice vinegar. It's good stuff. And you're gonna need mayonnaise. It's in the fridge. I'm not taking it out because it'll get all warm, and mayonnaise isn't really supposed to be warm. So without further ado, alright, I'm ready. Let's fucking do this! Alright, first we're gonna crack open the tuna here and place it in the bowl. Now you can drain the tuna if you want to. I'm not going to because I'm a lazy fuck like that, but you just dump it in there. Well, not with the fucking metal thing. I mean, you can if you want to. If you like eating metal, go for it. Alright. And then do that with the fucking next 2 cans as well. Home cooking Loser Jeff style. This is like if you're fucking broke type shit. There we go. Just dump that right on in there. Oh, that one stayed on that time. Awesome. Alright. Got 1 more to go. Move that back. Alright. Opening the 3rd can of tuna. The 3rd can. The can of the 3rd tuna. Alright. Now I use Abercrombie tuna, which gives you these chunks of like tuna, which is awesome. The regular tuna, it's kind of like, you know, diced up or something. I don't know. It's really weird. Alright. Next, you're going to want to scrape the last little bit of tuna out of the fucking bottom of the can there. Alright. That looks good. Now, let's do the noodles. Take your ramen, open them up. This shit, the seasoning, you can toss it, shove it up your ass, eat it. I don't care what you do with it as long as it goes to good use. Alright. Take your noodles and crunch them up. Okay. And you do that with all 6 packs, or 7 or 8, how many you're using. I'm gonna do a cut because, you know, that'll just waste too much fucking time to sit here with all the fucking noodles all over the fucking place. I already did it with the tuna, so be right back. Well, I was only able to do 3 because this bowl wasn't big enough. Here's the 3rd one now. Bring them up as best you can. Then you're going to want to put some water in there, not too much. I already did that, as you can see. did that off camera. And then stir it around a little bit. You know, it might be a little hard because they're rough right now. If you're like me and you don't have anything else to do with these fucking things, just go ahead and put them in. I mean, fuck it. Why not? Okay, now what you're going to want to do is take the fork out and place it somewhere safe. No, not in your ass. Then take a paper towel and put it over it, and then shove it in the microwave for, I don't know, I'd say at least 5 minutes. Come back after that's done. Okay, get it out of the microwave here, and the next step is to, if there's any water left, drain it out. Now some of these might still be, you know, big and crunchy. They're not really supposed to be, but that's okay. Some of them are kind of like crunchy soft hybrid shit like this one. Anyway, drain the water out as best you can without sacrificing any of the noodles or the tuna. Or you could just fucking drink the water like I do. Ramen noodle tuna water. Alright, once you somehow get the water out, man, that was a lot to drink. Stir it around some more. Kind of chop up the tuna if you want. Make it more easy to bite into. Alright. Stir it around. Alright. Now it's time to add the not so secret ingredient, mayonnaise. I use light mayonnaise because it's better for you. You're gonna need quite a bit, so just pour it on like it's the real thing, yeah. And this is all the mayo I have, so it's gonna have to work. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Get the rest of that out. Let's see. Without making a fucking mess. Get off. Damn it. Alright, there we go. Alright. I think the mayo is good. It's time to add the vinegar. You're not going to need much, but I like vinegar, so I pour it on. There we go. And now, stir it around a little bit. Get that mayo, the mayo. Get that in there real good. Okay, it looks about right. You can stir it up for as long as you want to, but for the sake of the video, I am going to stop right there. Okay, now the final ingredient is the hot sauce. I use Trappy's Bowl, Louisiana hot sauce, because it's just good like that. Alright. Pour that on as much as you want. I'm only gonna do probably about that much. Stir it around some more. All right, there you have it. Fucking tuna noodles. Let's try this shit out, shall we? All right, it's ready to eat. Here we go. Now, you don't have to eat it all in one sitting. I mean, you can if you want to. It'll probably give you a clogged artery or something, but you know, I usually take, you know, a few bites, put it down, come back for it later, maybe the next day or something. All right, let's do this. Man. It tastes better than I last made it 9 years ago. Awesome shit. Wash it down with some Yoo-hoo and be real hardcore about it. Alright folks, and that is how you cook fucking tuna noodles. Not tuna casserole, tuna noodles. Alright, I think the mayo is good. Wait, works better with a spoon. Fuck. Alright. Anyway, let me try my finger. It works. Kinda. The mayo. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Now, once you get all the fucking mayo out of the fucking jar, plastic thing, stir it around some more. Now you don't have to add the hot sauce. That's just something that I put in there. The vinegar too. You can quit it to fucking mayonnaise and eat it if you want to, but I don't. I like to add shit to it because I'm all disgusting like that. Next, you're going to want to scrape the last little bit of tuna out of the fucking bottom of the can there. Alright, that looks good. Oh crap, there's a crap load on this other one. There we go.